I am a young. Because first time, Macra,
I see now. So you know the carrot,
I'm a talker.
They all don't say what they can say about.
Over to my cat and go for sir. Or Monia Cannon first come, then this kind of channel.
When I could do, if you go look at my
You show back for the first time, my man,
what are you?
50,000 Ghana.
Would you for an example? What to do in this?
But on one can say, Antibacho, Mefro, why? I was all hard on paying of us. They were telling you, money. No, no, one time picture.
Or the constitution video I could give you.
The Hagen. Oh, that's what Hagen on paying of us. But now I'm going to be a bit too much. Hey, Jana Quambra.
But you.
May I expect to call so?
A cobra. The chunk cobra is here.
2 minutes. Boss,
yeah,
I'll finish it.
Now, where you know? Let's get a car and fly in Kuba and waxing.
Can't talk about our draw. I just with my call.
I don't know if you choose. I said, man, shouldn't see maybe I see. Put this guy so on.
I did by another sea on the catching. We offer catching the mammy. We are done. I'm more tell me, I didn't. We was campus for
no, like dressing a simple family, okay, but the day I didn't vegetarian.
Our favorite thing is a Kagana. I say, I had to, and I had a bokina. I said, who said, and I say, I'm Yana, but you need to give the house and because I heard an offering analysis for the development of the country for everyone. Oh. You know that so you don't live in Accra alone or Kumasi or Takoradi or Tamale or Cape Coast or Volta or the other regions
and then the other places like Sankwari and then everything. We do analysis. Then I talk to the president because I am the special errand boy for my uncle.
Yeah.
Man
for the kitchen, I said, when Poby or Petting, yes, sir. Mamma, Papa Thomas. Oh, there wasn't just in here, but something. Because I know, because I would get near a guavale. Hello? Senior Minister of Safma. Oh, yay! Wait, fashion me. I think I'm a back on person. I so want to be. Oh, Madam Rebecca, I miss you on my man. Oh, I can't know Mary. What's Mrs. Apple and Nibima? But you hold on. Many penny for Casasam, Petty Chichi. As one penny Casana, to some years and Senior Minister, Capra. I was our plan to make Messiama be at check. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mrs. Aplan. I said, I need Jubilee House. me nyame adma me hu ofa me ko Jubilee House be next week na me no office ya oh senior minister aya cha mo man ma oh okay education minister hello education minister hello Napo hey Napo no oh school na madam Rebecca ma me ko sima abonfo no oh so plan dem the free India na ba yo I dey no man panyini sima mo India me hu say school na me fena madam Rebecca ma me see the same thing akrabi na kasa weti mude minim sa mo frame na mo bese me gina ni pema akrabi na o mo twem mo kasa weti education minister
no any day
o se mi si ma ko sister wa Santa Region ma 87 wa tamale na school dey shape ya your fair sa plan na bi hu e India na be si mi ma madam Rebecca senior minister da men sabo obi keke kra wote akra bi o twa ma sabo na education minister no Mate make off last staff na me adwa Jubilee House na me adwa na su me tell man pin na ma wa oh okay bye hello Agric minister oh ano wa sha na mo frɛ me wie ya na Agric minister Minister I wanna go with them pastor we say bibi say na mo ya na obidi mo ngwasa choma mpanyina mo ka say me no oh ntisa ade mefro wa pastor baba Agric minister pa o ka say we no obi ti no ko mo mpanyina no ne a mo se me na me no mpanyina ko na kra na ndimi na makate o bi ase mi a o ka ye godua emo e poso na o jora mpanyina yi wadi a e godua mo poso
o who say ene poso do be da godua mo
Obahima, Emma, Faneko room 601. Yeah, our matriculation hotel. Matriculation by the way. Me asase Ghana akunya no ese etuaba ka we get say ahina ka mo ko fish ana na na bra wo ba ba bi sisi oh e patana wow you crazy oh ya first day bia wo chira o okay o chacha de ko do akrawi me no da na ye o da akra ko do o bo wati me masu so oyana muni oni wan kan no fa ase ada and cloud how did you see matriculation hotel room 601 how did you see so how did you see like is it some bodyguard there so we me fi we be ba e to to sese ya obedi mi kan ho ba di bullet e di obiletie
o le unya na so dan but bodyguard
o man penyin na for machine ehun so ya akwa pa no kwafo ndi bibia anya problem mi na se bidi kakra no ko kure what I say na mi ti security dia enko we aye wo da se wo no man penyin ofa se ada ho ena ho that's my president da open akra
ho many reji papa
un se ga bi na o twintwa ma na ma se ya na odi me ho nko se chama bi na chama ne bom me ofa ma ne ba ofa ma ne pese me man ya de bi ne ya wise aba na to fom ba ye pa me ni no and you beti na ye enta so ye o da ima me e mo ba ne na me sha he so yo ba papa gina me bi sa
enti na me kwa so me head action na me ni to be off so I had to force
Una ka open first lady si anka for so. I mean you na first lady na so get wa. Loli dai. Mama area ko busan.